Hey guys, this is my new motorhome, 1994 Winnebago Warrior. Oh, it looks like I got a light out up on top. I just purchased this today with the money I got for selling my trailer. And we're gonna go on the outside here first. That's the front, looking in. There's Tinkerbell. Yep. I've got the motor running. I'm going to get over here so you can hear it. Runs really nice. And there's a little cracking on the stripes, but this is a 1994. I got the lights on inside. I got the generator running. We have nice windows. Let's see if I can. There we go. Nice windows, no cracks. I am missing the hubcap. I have to replace that. I do need to do a brake job on it, but I have a friend who's going to do that for me. That there is where the generator is, and I'm not sure what's there. I just got it today, and then I had to go help a friend out, so I wasn't able to. Nice wheels and covers. This only has one tank for both gray and black water. Oh, that's where the generator is. You can hear the generator. That's the generator working. This is, I got another light out back here, up on top. Here we go. That's the back. That's the back. Nice and straight and clean. No water damage. It's got the tow package with the flaps to protect you from the rocks. This is the side with the, I haven't put that out yet, I'm going to do that. It's got a furnace and a refrigerator. It's got the screen door. It's got the step up. It's got the steps, but the one's bent, so it's not doing really good job. There's that awning in good shape. I don't know why it's doing that. We've got this side. Nice window. Got good tires. Yeah. I'm gonna go inside, show you guys the inside. So you can step up. Start up front. Here's the cockpit. We got captain's chairs up here. And I've got my phone plugged in because it died. There's the windows, the lights are on. I think I'll turn them on to park. The parking lights only. I just wanted to have the lights on when I was showing it. Okay. There's the passenger seat. These are captain's chairs. They do turn around. And this is a 1994 Winnebago Warrior. It's got, oh, let me turn that back on. Let's show you the mileage. It's got, let's see. All right, now we're gonna, oh, sorry about that, you guys. 27,900. I don't know, I can't seem to, oh, maybe I can get it over here. Let me see. Okay. I can't get it. It's 27,000. I can't get it. They gave it to me with that much gas. Isn't that cool? The pressure things. I got this is where the generator is. And now the lights are on with my battery power. And all it takes is a start. It starts right up. That's the generator. And then, whoops, okay, sorry, I'm gonna turn it off, show you how easily this starts. Okay, starts right up, first try. Then you come back here, we've got the extra, whoops, get the extra counter space there. I don't know how to put that down yet. And the sink, stainless steel. Now I haven't cleaned this or anything. This is exactly how I got it from the sellers. It's got nice blinds, cabinets. These are wood. Nice. I've got right here, I got the antenna. Got a 3-burner stove. So over here, we got the, oops, we got the table and chair, more storage. This up here is a bunk bed. Comes down, pulls down. Okay, and clock. We got a furnace. That's the furnace duct down there. Got the hood for the stove. The air conditioning. It's cold, nice and cold. Microwave. Refrigerator. We've got the refrigerator. Drawers underneath. And got refrigerator, not too big but big enough. It's got a freezer. I don't know how long it's going to take for it to cool down. I don't know if I think I got it pretty level. And come on back, we got a closet and 2 drawers, and under the refrigerator there's 2 drawers. Coming on back, we got the bedroom. There's 3 windows, 2 storage bins up there. The light's not working back here, I don't know why. It's got this thing here, privacy curtain, and it's got a full bed. It's got a little bedside table. It has a full bathroom. This door opens up, and you see you got a vent up here. It opens up. Have lights. We got a corner medicine cabinet with a paper towel holder. We got a nice big mirror. Sink. Toilet. There's a wheel well. Plug in. 110 plug in there. Place to put your towel. Shower curtain. This is a shower. For a tall person, it's nice. And the shower curtain goes all the way around over there, so you don't get any of it coming out on the carpet. Okay, so that's a tour of my new motorhome. Let me turn this light off in here. And I'm going to start traveling after I get the brakes done and everything. I'm going to go to my daughter's, and then I'm going to go, oh yeah, I got it hooked up. And then I'm going to go to my sister's, and then I'm going to go to my dad's in Arizona. So, like and subscribe. There's Tinkerbell. I'm going to close the door. I'm going to take you off. Hold on. Please like and subscribe. And this is going to be where the magic happens. I'm going to take this around and make videos like I've been talking about. Love you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for helping grow my channel.